Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the TS+AP-LAWCET-2021, and today class is exactly the 14th class is over and 15th class is in sessions. Please read, especially from the participant side. From the participant side, you can read what I posted on the screen. And especially that I would like to inform to the Akila and Umesh Chandra, please you send your mobile number, WhatsApp number to me so that even I can post you the YouTube recorded link also to you. That is the thing, because there are people that I am posting it. I don't know whether you are getting the YouTube classes or not. Those who are absentees. So now here, those who did not get it have not registered with me. You please register. Or not only to me, to anybody of our host, because everybody's mobile number you know it, and WhatsApp number you know it. If you don't know it, I will now show you that what is our mobile number, what is our WhatsApp number, which is clearly mentioned host. Yes, it is there. And now you could see it, our mobile numbers, that is the WhatsApp numbers. Could you read it? Anyone? Participant? Is it visible to you? Yes? Say yes or no. Participants,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
why you are not giving, sir? It is taking time, sir, because light travels so fast, no, sir, but sound travels late, no, sir. That's why we said, but after some time that you heard our voice. Yes. So these are the WhatsApp numbers. You can register ourselves so that I could send you the YouTube link to you, because whatever I deliver the classes, it will be loaded in the YouTube. So you can have a glance and you can go through it. సారిగా మళ్ళీ యూట్యూబ్ లోనే చూసుకుంటాం కాదు సరిగా మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు క్లాస్ వినాలా నో 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 see directly participating is different from that hearing and listening the YouTube. The distinction between seeing the movie in the theater is different from seeing or watching circus, which is live, and which is having the more impact, whether the movie is more impact or circus is more impact. Yes.
Circus, sir.
Why it's okay.
You can watch directly.
You can watch your naked
The
eye
live
directly
experience.
the live things, not the images. That's why the impact is more on that one. Yes, now I would like to show you this thing. I would like to see that what it is there. Yes. Read anyone? Quick. Participants. Read
Your
anyone?
voice is not audible, sir.
Pardon? My voice is not audible? Yes? Is it audible or not audible? Because I would like to check it whether it is audible or not. No, I did not in the mood. Yes, I could hear the voice. Those who are joining that I could get the beep sound. Yes, I am getting it. So it gives the sense that that only you, for you, again you rejoin it so that you could hear it. Because Akila, I could not see your microphone. Yeah, I could see the Akila microphone and Kuruganda Sharad Babu microphone, Lakshman Kandaboina. Yes. Now you read what I posted on the screen so that I could go to the class immediately. Okay, let me read it. National Mud Day. Did you know that 80% of dogs in the shelters are mixed breeds? This mud means
National
it's yes.
Raspberry Cake Day. Find out
Okay.
the date, history, and traditions of National Raspberry Cake Day.
Yes.
National Educates Day. Find out the dates, history, and traditions of National Educate Day.
Mm-hmm.
Yar Puja. Jipra only celebrated 2 weeks after Harchi Puja to martyrdom day of Shahid Udham Singh, a revolutionary best known to assassinating Michael O'Dyer on March 13, 1940.
These are
Professor
all the, yes, that what I cited here. Yes, thank you very much. These are all the days, because that July 31st, 2021. Actually, I forgotten to post it in the WhatsApp group to everybody, but I posted the different thing. But today is the National Mud Day. Mud means anybody? M-U-T-T, mud. Anyone? Mud means not a directly
is
born. Yes.
what is a religious
No, that is different. That is different mud. Here, mud. See, here I am giving that each experiment. This is the mud. So don't forget about those mixed breeds in shelter. Mixed breeds called mud. So a mud is any dogs that is a combination of the different breeds rather than one identifiable breed. So it's a mixed breed is called mutt, M-U-T-T, mutt. Suppose if they ask mutt, they have given the multiple choice over there, then you should not say that is a religious place. But here in this context, mutt means it is a combination of the different breeds rather than one identifiable breed. So this is the National Mud Day regarding the dogs are concerned. And this is, what is this? Quick,
I
quick.
think it is raspberry.
Raspberry it is, yes. We'll use it in the cakes, raspberry. And what about this one?
Avocado.
Yeah, this is avocado. Could you see the avocado grown in India?
I don't know, but I see these fruits are sold in markets like more and other corporate shops.
Yes, this avocado is very much very delicious and ఇది delicious means సపసపగా ఉంటది ఎట్లుంటది అంటే సపసక్క బపాయి తిరిగిన ఉంటది బట్ సెంట్రల్ ఇస్ a big seed would be there
But
and
it is
only
very healthy fruit.
yeah this is a very good diet for the people those who are BP and sugar people. The avocado is mostly grown in the East African countries and the care puja, this is Tripura is, today is a holiday, that is a puja honor of the care, a guardian deity of the Vastu Devata. This is a Uddam Singh. That is the quotation is when I am gone in my place will come thousands to free my country. The tribute to the Shahid Uddam Singh and they are the martyr and he is the revolutionary best known to assassinate the Michael Dyer on March 13th, 1940. So these are the today's special occasions. What I want to say is yes. Regarding Sharaji, do you continue it or shall I make it out?
Okay, I will volunteer.
Okay, now let me deal you tomorrow that let me come to my mental abilities concern. Yes, if we completed up to R. R is the 13th R that we say fire decoded as DGPC and what will be the last letter of the coded word of the shard that we made, that is the R, and the people will take the pen and pencil, otherwise you could not know that how you can reach to this place. Yes. Next one is 14 is if 2 is written certain code as 1234, clear as 56784, and spare 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 as 90847. What would be the fifth digit of this sculpture in the same code? Sir, how could you know it? I said take the pen, take the pencil. T. T stands for 1, O stands for 2, U stands for 3, R stands for 4.
We need not wait so long for this because already P stands for something 0. So it is the 14th question's answer is option 4.
Yeah, option is 4. That is the right answer because here I have given the comparison. By comparing letter and digits, we get it. T is equal to 1, O is equal to 2, U is equal to 3, R is equal to 4, C is equal to 5, L is equal to 6, E is equal to 7, A is equal to 8, S is equal to 9, and P is equal to 4. So in this sculpture, the center is P. This is the center one. So P, what is the answer? Yes.
Already in the spare, in the word spare,
Yeah.
or in the letter group spare is concerned,
Yes.
the P stands for 0. So it's very easy to match or to find out what P stands for.
First, they have to understand what the code is. The coding which is given over there. If they could understand, then in center we can say P. Directly we can approach over there spare. In the SPARE spare, it is given S is equal to 9 and P is equal to 0. Then automatically we can come to the point within 30 seconds or 20 seconds. The answer is 4. That is the explanation for the 14th question. Now let's come to the 15th question. If summer is coded as a runner, if the summer is coded as a runner, then the for winter is Yes. Now winter can be coded as a suitor, wear, walker, or sufferer. Suffer. So these are the options will be given. So if you just think it over there, PQRS means two letters down. R is there. Then U will not change. U is the same. And then comes to the next two letters, the next two digits, that's MN, that is NNE. Then E is not changed, R is not changed. Only a few things are changed over there. So if you could make it in the terminology, the right answer is
Option 2.
option 2. I appreciate VR. So summer is a runner in the given code. Second, fifth, and sixth letters are the same. The first letter of the word S to R is moved one step backward, while the two middle letters M and M to N and M to N each moved one step forward to obtain the corresponding letter of the code. So winter is known as VUR. VIOUER. Voyeurism. I don't know whether people know it or not. Voyeurism. Okay. I did not make.
Voyeurism, yes. By seeing some acts of porno, they enjoy or they enjoy watching nude scenes.
Watching the somebody is changing the dress or somebody is BBC without knowing them. That is called voyeurism. Okay. 16. QPO. NML. KJI. Dash. EDC. So what is what mechanism it is used over here? Please look carefully.
Option 1, sir.
Yes, it is option 1 HGF. You are right. So here, what is the mechanism? The mechanism is the series included letters arranged in a reverse alphabetical order. Except see QPO and NML and KJI reverse order. CDE. Then answer is EHGF, IJK, LMN, OPQ. Reverse order it is given over there. So the right answer is HGF. That is the right answer. Yes, now the 17th is Sapphire Bar, virgule pub, used to be drunkards or alcoholic, where the alcoholic drinks are alcoholic drinks are alcoholic drinks are fill up the blank with the suitable words.
Beer, whiskey,
No, that is there. I said, okay, all alcoholic drinks are.
injurious to health.
Sir,
I say
option 4.
suffer bar. I say suffer bar, and all the alcoholic drink are served over there, are sold over there, are
Served
consumed
over
over there. Okay.
served
Okay.
over bar or pub.
Yeah, yes. As the bar, you can say the pub used to be drunkard for alcoholic, and the library used to the consumers, clients,
Yes,
customers,
sir.
readers.
Option 4, sir.
Option 4, in the pub and sapphire bar, there you can consume the alcoholic drinks. And where the time is here, the library, you don't say customers, we don't say clients, we don't say like consumers, we say the readers. But where do you say consumers? Yes, anyone?
Consumer is one who utilizes services.
Who consumes a particular things are consumer. Then clients, where do you use our particularly clients?
Clients for advocates.
Mostly that we can say that the clients are advocates, we can say the clients. And what about the patient and doctor?
Yes.
Can you say consumers? Can you say customer?
We don't say either. I think the patient is the suitable one for it.
Yes, that is a patient is a suitable one, that, but we don't use that. Customers are so and so. The customers are where? Shops.
Shops.
Yes, we can use. And then here the library for the readers. So that is answer 18th. Okay, let us go to the 18th. Doctor's stool is cadaver. And an advocate tool is, sir, what is cadaver, sir? Can you give the explanation of the cadaver? C-A-D-A-V-E-R, cadaver. It is a dead body of a human being used for the anatomy in the medical colleges. That is called cadaver, where they can dissect it, show them parts of the body. The anatomy, when the class is going on there, without the cadaver, the the lecturer, I mean doctor, could not deliver the lecture. That is, a doctor tools is a cadaver. An advocate tool is a books, reporters, variable reports, black coat, white coat are both 2 and 3. Yes.
Books and reporters.
It is books and reporters, variable everything. That is the tools for the advocate. Of course, the coat, black coat, these are the attires. So that is the answer for that one. That is the books for first one. First option is the right answer. Yes. Anybody wants to say anything? Okay. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Very good. 18th question. Can you read 18th question?
Dead body of human being is corpse and dead body of animal is
Dead animal, skeleton,
dead.
carcass, both 1 and 2. Haraka అంటే కిస్వాహిలా క్విక్ అన్నట్టు.
Is carcass.
Carcass, that is for the animal we can say carcass, for the humans we say corpse. That's only the reason. Okay, now I am shown that, see, this is the advanced way that I have shown over there, because in the syllabus, non-verbal communication. So the signs and symbol is the non-verbal communication. So even though it is not given, but it is the advanced stage that I made the signs and symbols. Okay, now you tally them. Yes, anyone?
Yes, sir. One is
Yeah.
C. 2 is A.
Mm-hmm.
3 is D.
Mm-hmm.
And 4 is B.
Yes, that is the. So in the options, which is the option, right? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Option 1, sir.
See clearly.
Option 3, sir.
Option 3 is the right answer. Because here I have shown you the. Can you tell me what is this sign in English? Anyone?
No, sir. Don't
How
know.
do you pronounce it? A skull and 2 crossed bones. Repeat.
A skull and
2 crossed bones.
2 crossed bones.
That is a symbol of danger, harmful. Then this is a school zone where the children are passing with the books in the hands or bags in the hands. And this is the, what is there? It is given in the sign. What is there? The third one. What are the things are there?
Plate and spoon, sir.
Only 2?
4 knife, I think.
It is in the left hand side, it is a knife. In the center, it is a plate. In the right hand side, is a fork. ఈ ఫోర్క్ 3-4 కనబడతానే చూడు, దాన్ని ఏమంటారండి? సార్ దంతాలు సార్ అవి. సార్ టీత్ సార్ అది. ఎనీవన్? పాస్ ఆన్. సే పాస్ ఆన్.
Pass answer.
ప్రాంక్స్. PRANKS. ప్రాంక్స్ అంటే దంతాలు ఉంటాయి చూడండి ఇట్లా. ఫోర్క్. 2 ప్రాంక్స్ ఫోర్క్, 3 ప్రాంక్స్ ఫోర్క్, 4 ప్రాంక్స్ ఫోర్క్ అంటారు దాన్ని. ఏమనాలా?
Prank, sir.
PRANK. Prank. Okay. Now this is plus sign is the indication of the hospital. సార్ రెడ్ క్రాస్ కూడా ఉంటది కదా సార్ ఇది. దట్ is కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుంది. Okay, let us come to the point 20. If the letter in the word undertaking are rearranged in the alphabetical order, which one will in the middle in order after the rearrangement? సార్ ఫస్ట్ మాకు ఆ క్వశ్చన్ అర్థం కాలేదు సార్. If the letters in the word undertaking are rearranged in the alphabetical order, రియల్ ఇంజనీర్ అంతా ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ అంటాడు, ఏంటిది పెడదాం? ABCDEFGHIJKLMNOPQRSTUWXYZ, అది ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఆర్. విచ్ వన్ విల్ బి ద మిడిల్? అప్పుడు మిడిల్ లో వస్తుంది, జీ వస్తుందా, ఐ వస్తుందా, కే వస్తుందా, ఎన్ వస్తుందా?
K,
ఏం
sir.
లేదు, కే ఇస్ ఆన్సర్. ఇప్పుడు దాని ఉన్న అన్ని అక్షరాలన్నీ, లెటర్స్ అన్ని మీరు ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్ అరేంజ్ చేయండి, ఇంత మిడిల్ వచ్చేది కేనే. ద కే ఇస్ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ లో చూపెట్టాను చూడండి, ADEGI, కే ఏమో 6th వచ్చింది. మరి తర్వాత MN, ఇది ఎన్నేనా ఏమ్మా? ఎస్, డబుల్ ఎమ్ ఈస్ దేర్ హియర్. ఓకే, అండ్ RTU, center is only K. The K is the center answer. Okay, next. What would be the number at this peculiar sequence? 16, 19, 22, 25, question mark.
It's very easy.
వెరీ ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్, జస్ట్ కొంచెం మీరు దృష్టి పెట్టండి. 6 కి 19 కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత ఉన్నది, 19 కి 22 కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత ఉన్నది, 22 కు 25 కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత ఉన్నది, ఆ తర్వాత వచ్చేది ఆటోమేటిక్ గా అదే అవుతుంది. ఎంత ఆన్సర్?
28.
28. ఇఫ్ యు లుక్ ఎట్, దాన్ని అంటారు ఐక్యూ అంటారు, దాన్ని ఇంటెలిజెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. చూడంగానే మైండ్ లో ఫ్రేమ్ అయిపోవాలా, ఇట్లా చదవంగానే మైండ్ లో ఫ్రేమ్ అయిపోవాలా. అంటే ఇది ఎట్లయితే వస్తుంది, తిరగ వేపాకు తీయగా నుండు అన్నట్టు చేస్తా ఉంటే వస్తుంది. ప్రాక్టీస్ మేక్స్ ఎ మ్యాన్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. కాబట్టి ఉట్టి వింటే రాదు, చూడాలా, పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది. రైట్, ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కమ్ టు ద, అందులో ఇంగ్లీష్ లో అంటారు చూడండి, మూసిన వానికే తెలుసు. ఎస్, మోసిన వానికే తెలుసు, ఏ పర్సన్ హూ బేర్స్ ఇట్, కావడి అండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్. So now next thing is, yes, let us come to the, choose the odd man out among the 4 choices. 13, 31, 15, 51, 18, 80, 25, 52. Which is odd man out?
This also is.
Option 4, sir.
Pardon?
Option 4.
అయ్యా, చూడంగానే
Option
1331, 1551, 18803 అక్కడ. ఎందుకంటే రివర్స్ చేసి ఉన్నాయి అన్ని లెటర్స్. 25 ను రివర్స్ చేయండి 52, 13 ను రివర్స్ చేయండి, ఎడమ కుడికి పెట్టండి 31. సో అక్కడ గాంధీ, అక్కడ యాక్చువల్ ఎంత ఉండాలా, అక్కడ 18 అంటే 81 ఉండాలి, అక్కడ 80 పెట్టాను. కాబట్టి ఆడ్మాన్ అవుట్.
Option 3, sir.
Option 3.
Yes, that is the answer. So just write in a reverse order. That is, a 13 reverse is 31, 15 reverse is 51, 25 reverse is 52, but 18 reverses should be 81. But there is a 80 is written. Hence, it is the odd man out. Okay. ఇది చెప్దాం, మీకు ఎంత నాలెడ్జ్ ఉన్నది తెలుసు సార్. మేము బీజెడ్సీ సార్, అందుకోసం నాకు తెలుసు. ఓకే, which among the following is not a fish? Say, I said not a fish. Salamander, mackerel, Nile perch, starfish.
It is starfish.
Because all others are reptile family. Salamander reptile family, mackerel reptile family, all cold-blooded animals. Nile perch, that is Sangala. We will say that heavily available in the Uganda, Tanzania, and Kenya. People enjoy this fish. Okay, feedback is
Starfish belongs to Echinodermata.
yes. It is not belong to the reptile family, and it is commonly called starfish and not fish. They don't have gills, scales, fins. You know what is gills, scales, and fins? These are the part of the body.
It belongs to the family, the phylum
Yes,
Echinodermata.
yes, because I did not write over Echinodermata. And sea stars live in the salt water, and sea water instead of blood is actually used to pump nutrient through their bodies via water vascular system. So serial number 4 is the odd man out. Okay, now next.
I want to
Yes.
bring to the notice of you and participants one more thing, sir.
Okay, please.
Even prawn is not a fish. It also belongs to arthropod. Prawn. Raya.
Oh, this is a new
It's
thing
not
to
a
us.
fish. That in the sense, it is not a fish. It belongs to arthropoda.
What about the octopus?
Octopus is also not fish. It belongs to phylum like mollusca or echinodermata. For certain, I don't know, but it belongs to either of them.
Okay. Suppose they will give the fish names, then they can say octopus also.
I think octopus belongs to mollusca or echinodermata.
But it is not a reptile family.
No.
Okay. So very good. So addition is very much thankful. Or Kolikonda Sharat Babu. And shall I proceed?
Yes.
Now the question comes over there. Seawater fish is costly or freshwater fish is costly?
Costly?
Seawater fish is costly or freshwater fish is costly?
Seawater fish costly.
In the most other places, no, seawater fish is everywhere available on the shore, but sweetwater fish is not available over there. It is a shortage will be there. Then which is shortage, generally it will be costly.
But this, as per nutrition, many say that seawater fish are very healthy.
But as per the taste is concerned, the sweetwater fish is very much. Okay, let us come to the point of the 25th. How many words can be formed by using the 4 letters of the English alphabet? O, P, S, T. O తోని పి తోని ఎస్ తోని టీ తోని 4 లెటర్స్ తోని ఎన్ని వర్డ్స్ మనం కాయిన్ చేయగలుగుతాము అంటే పర్మిటేషన్ కాంబినేషన్ వేసుకోండి అటు ఇటు చేస్తే వర్డ్ అవుతుందా అటు ఇది చేస్తే వర్డ్ అవుతుందా అండ్ మేకింగ్ ద లెఫ్ట్ టు రైట్ టు లెఫ్ట్ మిడిల్ టు సెంటర్ టు మిడిల్ సెంటర్ టు extreme left to center or center to extreme right. If you make such a combination over there, then how many words that you can produce? 2, 3, 4, none of the above.
3, sir.
The answer is the second option. Okay, 3 చెప్పండి ఏదే వర్డ్ చెప్పండి పోనీ.
Post,
Very
stop,
good.
and spot.
ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చూడండి. The feedback using the alphabet OPs using them we make the word spot, parts మర్చిపోయారు. టాప్స్ కూడా ఉన్నది దాంట్లో, స్టాప్ కూడా ఉన్నది. Is it clear? Spot, parts, tops, stop. So we can make the 4 words with these 4 letters. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Parts అంటే తెలుసా అండి?
Kundal.
Who will make the parts? Cobbler, sir. Cobbler make the shoes and porter make the parts. Okay, tops. సార్ మాకు తెలుసు సార్ టాప్స్ లేడీస్ వేసుకుంటారు సార్. ఓకే సార్ ఇయర్ టాప్స్ ఉంటాయి సార్. ఓకే నో మ్యాటర్. 26 ఇది ఆల్రెడీ వి నో ఇట్ ద ఆన్సర్. L full stop B full stop. Is it acronym or abbreviation? All degrees are abbreviations. Kondakurtu. So LLB stands for, and you know it already because we discussed this one. That is, option is?
Option 1.
Option 3.
Option 3. Legum baccalaureus. Legum means law. Becca means bachelor. Laureus means science. Feedback is the Latin abbreviation. It is LL full stop. Yeah, it is the Latin word, and its full form is like that. But the style of writing is L full stop B full stop. But don't write L in the middle full stop. Okay. So it is an acronym, and we can say that which Indian language dash is the same if you write from left to right or right to left. Option Urdu, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada.
Option 1, sir.
If you write from left to, or if you write from right to left, left to right, the same word will come. If you write from Urdu, Udru is different from Urdu. If you write Telugu, Yugulet. Kannada, if you write Adannaka, Annaka. But Malayalam, if you read from the right to left or right to left to right, same Malayalam will come. See. Malayam, Malayalam. If you read from here, also the same thing will be there. So right answer is
Three.
Option 3.
Option 3.
Malayalam is the people say that Malayalam is the most different Indian language to learn.
yeah, where the Malayalam will be highly spoken.
It is spoken in
Kerala.
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 What is the railway station name? Kerala.
What is the
Railway station.
railway station in Kerala? Many railway stations.
I say the central railway station. You don't say Kerala.
Thiruvananthapuram.
Tiruvananthapuram.
Thiruvananthapuram.
What is the best beach in the Kerala? Kovalam.
Oh no, Ojam.
Kovalam. Kovalam. And what is the best for the Kerala? Why do you say Kerala is the best?
Literacy.
It's a beautiful city, beautiful state.
That's why it is a tourist center.
It's a highly tourist center. Have you seen the Kerala, anyone? సార్ మేము మా డిస్టిక్ వదిలిపెట్టి పోలే సార్ please have a vision. See the things at least in India, some of the places where you are supposed to do it. Okay, let us come to the point again. And the 28 is choose the odd one out. Means odd one out here. Okay, stop. Okay, and RTPQ spot parts. Which is the odd one out?
Option
RTPQ
2.
is the odd one out because there is other are the words completely. So I kind from there, which is from the above. I made the odd one out because everything is having the meaning, and this the RTPQ doesn't have any meaning of it all. The 28th question: the letter dash is a bit different because sometimes it acts as a consonant and sometimes it acts as a vowel. What is that letter? W, X, Y, Z. సార్ అసలు కాన్సోనెంట్ అంటే ఏంటి సార్? ఓవెల్స్ అంటే ఏంటి సార్?
It's Y.
It is a Y is the right. I appreciate because Y can be sometimes used as a consonant and Y can be used as a vowel also. Then what is the vowels?
A-E-I-O-U.
How many are there?
5, sir.
Very good. Sandhya Rani, you joined, I believe, because I could identify by your tone.
Thank you, sir.
Then
Sir.
yellow flower. Then yellow flower.
Yeah. Is it a marigold? Yellow color is a marigold.
If we say how this Y is used as well,
Yes.
this is the best example. An yellow flower.
Acha. Yes. Because and can be used over there when the vowel sound will come. At that time, we can say is used as a vowel. Yes, you are right. I appreciate the vowels and consonants, and the words are built from the vowels that A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes even the sound is there, but even the letter is there, but the soundings are different. At that time, we don't use the an. So consonant, the rest of the alphabet.
There
Yes.
is a rule, sir.
Yeah.
It's not the letter that decides the vowel sound.
It's the sound.
That decides the
Yes. It's the sound can decide it where it is. How whether we can use the an or not. When the vowel is there, when the letter is, when the word will start with the letter. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Another thing that this is purely my brain made. You don't find anywhere. It is my brain made. This is. Yes. Find out odd man out. Red, orange, yellow, green. I developed myself. This is. You don't find in any other books. It is a challenge, open challenge, if you find in any other book. Yes, anyone? Red, orange, yellow, green. Just you apply what we discussed earlier.
Sir, green, sir.
Why green?
Sir, red and orange remaining are nearer, sir. Green is every time it is a natural, near the nature, sir.
Hmm. Your platform is okay, but I do appreciate it. But my in what way that I framed the question is different. Yes, anyone second option? సార్ ఇట్లా కూడా అడుగుతారా సార్? Yes. Answer is why yes. Okay, I will give the clue. Red, I say odd man out. You tell me why red is the odd man out. సార్ ఓన్లీ 3 లీటర్లే ఉన్నాయి కాదు సార్, మిగతా అన్ని 3 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి కాదు సార్. Yes, I do admit it. That is also odd man out. But actually what I framed it is, I would like to tell you, అబ్బా సార్ అట్లా కూడా అడుగుతారా సార్? అడుగుతారు. If you happen to see how many vowels are there in red, how many vowels are in orange, how many vowels are in yellow, how many vowels are in green? Check. In all places, there are 2 vowels or more than 2. Did you observe?
Yes, sir. In red only one vowel.
Only one vowel is there in the red, but in orange, see, O is a vowel, and here A is a vowel, and E is a vowel, and yellow also E is a vowel, and next to O is a vowel, means 2 vowels are there. In green, double E is there, hence 2 vowels are there, but in the red only one vowel is there, hence the red is the odd man out. సార్ ఇట్లా మీరు మీరు కష్టపెట్టియద్దు సార్. No, they may ask you in this way also, because even though you did not see it, because there are the primary colors are generally the blue, indigo, violet, purple, yellow, green, orange, red. These are again, this is later on that another one which is coined by me. And this is ABCQ, and find the odd man out. What I say, green, orange, no, yes, this is another question which I developed. So I use that because this is the another AB, and this is ABC question. So this is the which I inserted it. Okay, ఇందులో చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు ఆడ్ మ్యాన్ అవుట్ ఏమున్నది? గ్రీనా, ఆరెంజా, ఎల్లోనా, ఇండిగోనా? సార్ అన్నిట్లో 2 ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్ ఓవెళ్ళు, మళ్ళీ ఏంటి సార్ మరి మళ్ళీ కొత్తగా పెడతారండి సార్ మీరు?
Indigo, sir.
వై?
Because it has 3 vowels now. Indigo.
ఓకే, మిగతా దాంట్లో
Only 2, sir.
ఎనీవే దట్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్, ఐ అప్రిషియేట్ ఇట్. AEIOU, మరి AEIOUలో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి అన్నట్టు? ఇప్పుడు ఐ ఉన్నది, ఓ ఉన్నది, 2 ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. ఇందులో ఎల్లోలా అన్ని 2 ఉన్నాయి కదా.
Yes, sir.
Then why indigo?
3 ఉన్నాయి కదా.
Anyway, you are right, but why indigo? Simple logic you apply. Simple logic, alphabetical order. Yes. In alphabetical order, I should come where? After green. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
IJK. కానీ దాన్ని ఏం చేసిన, కిందికి వేసిన, ఇండిగో కిందికి వేసిన నేను. అంటే మిగతా అన్ని ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్ ఉన్నాయా లేవా? ఎస్, ఉన్నాయా లేవా? Is it there or not alphabetical order? Say yes or no. It is yes sir, because G తర్వాత O తర్వాత Y వచ్చింది కాబట్టి I లాస్ట్ లోకి ఉన్నది కాబట్టి alphabetical order is not followed over there. Answer serial number 4, that is the correct answer, because all colors are alphabetical order, and title things which starts with the letters, and indigo is came the last, that's way odd man out, that is. Okay, statements here. Some ships are boats, all boats are submarines, some submarines are yachts. ఇది కొంచెం హార్డ్ ఉంటుంది ఇది. ఐ డోంట్ థింక్ దట్ వెదర్ యూ కెన్ get it or not, because diagram lo chupadu only 2 and 3 is follows good, because these submarines covers the boats, submarines cover the ships. ఇది separate గా యాష్ గాని దీన్ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేశారు, and only submarine will be mixed with the only 2 and 3 follows. That's the wording they use over there in the above things. And some yachts are boats, and some submarines are boats, some submarines are ships, and some yachts are ships. And number 1, all follow. Number 2, only 2 and 3 follow. Number 3, only 3 follows. 4, only 4 follows. But when you happen to see the diagram, and this is a Venn diagram type, this is submarines. It's a bigger circle. You need to inscribe this boat. The side we can see the left, and the extreme right we can see the yachts. Then the most of the part is covered over there is the ships and boats, but yachts is less. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Yachts is less. Ships are more, boats are more. So submarine is more attached to the only 2 and 3. That is the answer for that. Okay, let us see this one. Most CPU are keyboards. CPU అంటే తెలుసా అండి? Yes, what is meant by CPU? తెలిస్తే ఎస్ అనండి, లేకుంటే పాస్ అనండి, నేనే చెప్పేస్తా. I will give the answer to you. Yes, Central Processing Unit. తెలిస్తే చెప్పండి, పాస్ అని అన్నారు అదండి సార్. సార్ మేము ఒప్పుకోము సార్, నేను చూస్తాను, మేము సెట్ చేస్తాను స్మార్ట్ ఫోన్ లా. ఓకే, CPU means Central Processing Units are keyboards, and the no keyboard is a mouse, and all mouses are CPU. Conclusion is some keyboards are CPU, and 2, all CPUs are mouses. 3, no mouse is a keyboard. 4th, some mouse are keyboards. Then the right answer is only 1 follows, only 2 and 3 follows, or only 1 and 3 follows, or only 2 follows. If you read the CPU are keyboards, no keyboard is a mouse, all mouses are CPU. When you take such a thing, the conclusion goes 1, 2, 3, and this 2 is repeated. So I can delete it. Yes. So if you see this analogy of these conclusions, statement and conclusion, the right answer is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Anyone? Sir, ఏదో ఒకటి సార్. Make a trial, even though it is error, doesn't matter. Make a trial, even though it is error, it doesn't matter. There is no negative marks.
Option 1, sir.
It is option 3 is the right answer. Only 1 and 2 follows over there in this case law. Feedback, if you see it in answers keys, CPU is a left hand side big circle. Mouse, it is inner it will be there. Keyboard is adjacent to it is there. So full portion is covered by the what? CPU full portion. 1 and 3 follows means some keyboards are CPU. Okay, these keyboards are no only some, but the second one is, third one is no mouse is a keyboard. అసలు మౌస్ కీబోర్డ్ కింద రానే రాలేదు. వచ్చిందండి? కీబోర్డ్ సర్కిల్లో వచ్చిందా మౌస్? సార్ ఈ మౌస్ అంటే ఏంటి సార్ ఇది? ఎనీవన్, ఈస్ దర్ ఎనీబడి హూ డిడ్ నాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ మౌస్? గుడ్డ మీద చేయి పెట్టుకొని చెప్పండి, నిజంగా చెప్పండి, మౌస్ అంటే తెలుసా లేదా? సార్ నాకు తెలుసు సార్, మేము కూడా కంప్యూటర్ యూజ్ చేస్తాను సార్. ఎస్ ఎస్.
It is
Anyone?
a navigating appliance in computer.
It is like a mouse. It is adjacent. We can use it. Of course, cardless mouse also there. The mouse you can make it out, but the laptop. What is the mouse in laptop? Yes. పాసానండి, నేనే చెప్తానండి. డోంట్ కిల్ ద టైం. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మౌస్ ఇన్ ల్యాప్టాప్? పాసానండి. సార్ మేము ఒప్పుకోం సార్. టచ్ ప్యాడ్. టచ్ ప్యాడ్ ఈస్ ద మౌస్. ఓకే, Do you agree? Okay, let us come to the point here now. The last point. By that, I believe it is going to be closed over there. Select the figure that is missing from the collection below. ఇందులోకి వెళ్ళి కలెక్షన్ మొత్తం చూడండి, ఏ ఫిగర్ మిస్ అయింది ఇక్కడ చూపెడతాను చూడండి. ఇందులో ఇది ఒక లైన్ లో వస్తలేదు, దీన్ని చిన్న చేస్తే వస్తుంది. దీన్ని చిన్న చేస్తే ఓకే, నౌ యూ కెన్ సీ. దీన్ని కూడా చిన్న ఏది మిస్ అయిందని తెలుస్తుంది. This all things which is missing over there. 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న దాంట్లో ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏది మిస్సింగ్ అయింది? ఎందులో? క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ దగ్గర. ఎస్, ఇప్పుడు 1 ఉన్నదా? 1 ఇక్కడ 1 ఏది? ఎక్కడ? ఇది ఎక్కడ ఉన్నదండి? ఇది
412, sir.
ఇది ఓకే, ఈ పైది ఇది ఎక్కడున్నది? ఓకే, రివర్స్ చేసి ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది. ఇది ఎక్కడున్నది? రివర్స్ చేసి ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది. మరి ఇది ఎక్కడున్నది? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ప్రాంక్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? ఇందులో 5 ప్రాంక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 4 ప్రాంక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఉన్నాయా లేవా?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it there or not? Please give me the answer.
Yes, sir.
There are 4 pranks, these are 5 pranks. So, what is the right answer?
Option 4, sir.
Option 4 is the right answer. All the figures provided in the options are present in the collection except 4, which is first sight might be seen similar to the figure in the first column. Second, no object, but close examination to reveal that it has a 5 teeth. ఇక్కడ teeth అన్నాడు, ఇక్కడ ఇది teeth అన్నాడు ఇక్కడ, కానీ but we can use ఇది 4 అయితే దాన్ని ప్రాంక్స్ అంటారు. 5 teeth instead of 4. ఇక్కడ 4 ఉన్నాయి చూడండి, దీనికి 4 ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. అయితే ఇక్కడ లేనిది ఏంటంటే 5th లేదు కాబట్టి the answer is 4 because it is having how many teeth? 5 teeth. How many pranks? 5 pranks. సార్ మీరు ప్రాంక్స్ అంటారు, టీత్ అంటాను సార్, అసలు ఏది కరెక్ట్ సార్? PRANKS PRANKS ఏనా GS అండి ప్రాంక్స్? You pick pranks, not K, ఇది G ఉంటుంది pranks. Slightly the road accident and she pranked her mother's car into. What does the prank mean in slang? What is the prank in British? Oxford Dictionary. Inform a crash involving the motor vehicle air crash. Prank. No, 4 is having how many? 4 having how many? P. That fork, how many child process it created over there? 8 processor. No. PRANKS pranks or PRANGS pranks?
Is it Fangs? FANGS?
No, not. The facts means snakes is having. See, PRO, that is PRONGS pranks. See, in the photo it is clearly. You may have the notice that a fork nearly always have the